triumph. I'm making a note here of each success. Hard to overstate.
Why is that sad look in your eyes? Why are you crying? Tell me now, tell me now, tell me why you're feeling this way. I hate to see you so down, no baby. Is it your heart, ooh, that's breaking all in pieces, making you cry, making you feel blue? Is there anything that I can do? Why don't you tell me where it hurts now, baby? And I'll do my best to make it better. Yes, I'll do my best to make those tears all go away. Just tell me where it hurts now, tell me. And I love you with a love so tender. Oh, and if you let me stay, I'll love all of the hard way. Where are all those tears coming from? Why are they falling? Somebody, somebody, somebody left your heart in the cold. You just need somebody to hold on, baby. Give me a chance to put back all the pieces. Take your broken heart, make it just like new. There's so many things that I can do. Why don't you tell me where it hurts now, baby? And I'll do my best to make it better. Yes, I'll do my best to make.
Parang kailan lang. Nagsimula ako, halos walang maniwala sa akin kasi motor lang yung dala ko. And lahat ng kaibigan ko pinagtatawanan ako kasi wala pang networking company na meron taga Bicol na kumita. Pero after 4 years, sobrang grabe ng blessing na binigay sa akin. 4 years, 4 na sasakyan. First car ko is Honda Civic, second car ko is Montero Sport, third car ko is sobrang wapo ng sasakyan kasi 2-door siya na-accord na kung nanonood ka ng Fast and the Furious, halos magkamukha yung sasakyan na yun. Pang fourth car ko, normally halos ito yung nagiging ultimate goal eh. Fourth car ko is Hummer. Na ang kagandahan dito, may maliban lang kasi since ang taas ng gas consumption ng Hummer, binigyan pa ako ng in-global ng bonus na profit sharing na worth 600,000 para daw pang gas ko sa Hummer ko. And ang pinaka naging blessing sa akin this year, kasi binigay pa sa akin ng AIM yung isa sa pinakapangarap ko, yung makakita mismo ko at makahawak ng snow. Nakapunta kami for 12 days sa United States, all expense paid, may piso, wala akong ginastos. Ang ginawa lang namin doon, walang iba kundi kumain, mag-shopping, mamasyal, sobrang sarap ng buhay. And ang nagiging blessing sa akin ngayon, hindi lang ako yung kumikita. Kasi within this year alone, 10 sa taga Bicol ang nagkaroon ng first car nila. And I already created more than 30 millionaires under me. Ang isa sa pinaka-nasarapan ko sa InGlobal, kung ako tatanungin mo bakit InGlobal ang kinakarir ko, kasi ang dami kong choice kung ano yung pwede kong gawin na opportunity or pwede kong anong gawin na ibang bagay. Pero kaya InGlobal ang ginawa ko for 2 reasons lang. Number 1, kikita ka ng sobrang daming pera in a short span of time. Right now, I'm already earning 7 figures per month. And by next year, I'm sure kikita ako ng nasa 8 figures per month. Ang pinaka-bottom line sa akin, hindi lang yung pera, pero yung magkakaroon ka ng lots of time para i-spend mo sa loved ones mo. Kasi for me, yun naman talaga ang pinaka-essence ng buhay. Money, importante, pero ang pinaka-importante sa lahat is hindi ka mawala ng time para sa loved ones mo. Kaya kung ikaw yung tipong tao ngayon na namumroblema ka ng pamasahe mo, namumroblema ka ng tuition ng anak mo, namumroblema ka ng kuryente, namimiss mo yung mga pamilya mo kasi nasa malayong kang lugar na ginagawa mo yun para ka lang kumita, meron ngayon na isang InGlobal na kaya nang ibigay lahat ng pinapangarap mo.